YouTube, hey, what going on YouTube? It's your boy Young KD, back at it again. Today I got a special video for y'all. I'ma show y'all step by step on how I make my songs and how you can do the same thing easily. It's very simple, just follow the steps and you'll have good quality and your songs will sound good. Alright, bet. So right now I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek on the song we're gonna be working with today. I made a whole lot of changes to the mix and I made it sound a whole lot better. So let me go ahead and show y'all right now.
Say you wildin', finna commit a crime. You nigga pussy gon' drop on a dime. Take a nigga packing, yell I slap, but I ain't slime. She gon' drop it back and throw it back, that's every time. Pull up with a Mac, click, clap, blow out your mind. These niggas stealing the swag, these niggas stealing the drip. That nigga looked kinda hungry, had to feed him a clip.
Just to show y'all how big of a difference mixing makes, I'ma show y'all how it sounds with no preset at all on and nothing done to the beat.
These niggas talking that cap, ayy. I got some money in the trap, ayy. This shit deeper than rap, ayy. This shit deeper than rap, ayy. Cock it back and reload, somebody about to get clapped, ayy. Ballin' like on D-Rose, I had to bring it back, ayy. These niggas know that we coming, These niggas know how we coming, Pull out that glizzy, bet that pussy star.
As y'all can hear, man, the mix took this song a whole long way. It sounded like straight dog shit at first. I ain't even gonna sugarcoat it. So let's jump into this whole process and let me show y'all how I do everything right now. The first thing you want to do is you want to import your beat into the session. So you press the little plus button, go all the way to the bottom to import track, and just add your beat into the session just like that. As soon as you add the beat, you want to go ahead and click it and turn the gain down to like -6. 9 times out of 10, the beat is gonna be super loud because it's mastered, and that's how it should sound. But you need space for your vocals to sit too, so you want to turn that beat down some. Gain is just a fancy word for volume, so by turning the gain down, you turn down the volume. So the next thing I do, I add my 2 voice tracks in so I can punch in. So what you do, you press the plus button again, but this time you click voice audio. After you put the first one in, you just repeat that step twice and add 2 voice tracks. Yes sir, now you got them voice tracks in the session, now you're ready to record. Hey, for all my people that like to use the Autotune, here's where we go ahead and put the Autotune on. What I do, I go ahead and turn the Autotune all the way up to 100%, and if it don't sound good, I just change it up. Hey, and by the way, I just made a video explaining how to get the perfect Autotune settings, so y'all go check that out. But yeah, Bandlab automatically puts you in the right key, so I just turned the Autotune to 100%. On this song, I'm using the Autotune on 100% anyway. I usually go for 100%, that's just the sound I like. And if I don't got my Autotune on 100%, I got it on like 95. Yes sir, now it's time to record. I already recorded this song. Y'all know how to record, just go ahead and press the red button down at the bottom and stop it when you're done. We got 2 voice tracks, so when you get done with that first bar, you can go down to the second bar and punch in. Hey, I also made a video on how to punch in a while back. Y'all can go find it if y'all don't know how to punch in. But yeah, man, after we get done recording the main vocals, we want to add another voice track and go ahead and add some adlibs.
Hey, 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 we start running, this shit hold 100,
Adlibs just a little shouts you hear in the background, the little yeah, all that, you know what I'm saying? Everybody got their different signature adlibs. Quavo on there, and they got that mama, you know what I'm saying? Just do your own little adlib sauce. I got the adlib preset too. If y'all want to go on my channel and check that out, you can have them adlibs sounding super saucy, super professional. But on this video, I'm gonna be using my adlib preset. That's what I used. Okay, cool. Now you can go ahead and record your adlibs. Make sure your adlibs ain't too loud. You want them to sound like background vocals because that's what adlibs is. Okay, cool. Now that we got everything recorded, we got the main vocals, we got the adlibs. Now it's time to make some space for the vocals. Y'all probably thinking like, we already made space for the vocals. We turned the beat down. Yeah, but just simply turning the beat down is not enough. It's still gonna be frequencies in there battling with your vocals. Let me show y'all right now. I'm gonna show y'all how it sounds like after I EQ'd the beat out and before I EQ'd the beat out. And you'll hear a huge clarity difference. It'll sound so much more clear. It'll sound like I'm inside the beat once I EQ it. Let me show y'all right now.
Cock it back and reload, somebody about to get clapped, ayy. Ballin' like on D-Rose, I had to bring it back, ayy. These niggas know that we coming, these niggas know how we coming, Pull out that glizzy, bet that pussy, cock it back and reload. Somebody about to get clapped, ayy. Ballin' like on D-Rose, I had to bring it back, ayy. This nigga know that we coming,
Yeah, so what I did, I pulled out a graphic EQ. I heard that the bass was kind of overpowering my vocals, so I went ahead and took some of that 200 hertz range out. The 200 hertz region is usually where the bass is in the instrumental, so by turning this down a couple dBs will give vocals a little bit of more space. But that's only if the bass is overpowering. If the bass isn't overpowering your vocals, you don't gotta worry about this. Okay, cool, so after that, I went ahead and attacked that 1.6K range. The 1.6K is usually where the instruments lives in the instrumental. When I say instruments, I mean like the guitar, the piano, whatever that's in your instrumental. This is usually where it's gonna be the loudest set. So by turning this down, you'll be turning down the guitar or the piano, whatever lives in that range, and that'll give your vocals more space. So I took that down a good bit. Here's what I did. And if you're hearing some harshness in your instrumental, which I was, you gotta take that 3.2K down. I only took it down a little bit, but if the instrumental sounds super harsh, take some of this out. Whew. Hey y'all, we almost done, man. Okay, so the last thing we gotta worry about level matching, and we gotta make sure that we're not clipping. When I say level matching, we wanna make sure that the vocals are at a good volume, and that the beat is at a good volume, and that everything sounds cohesive. And also we wanna make sure the track isn't distorted and it's not red at the bottom, so that we got space to master.
Somebody about to get clapped, ayy. Ballin' like on D-Rose, I had to bring it back, ayy. This nigga know that we coming, this nigga know how we coming, pull out. Ay. Ballin' like on D-Rose, I had to bring it back, ayy. This nigga know that we coming, this nigga know how we coming, Get clapped, ayy. Ballin' like on D-Rose, I had to bring it back, ayy. This nigga know that we coming, this nigga know how we coming, Somebody about to get clapped, ayy. Ballin' like on D-Rose, I had to bring it back, ayy. This nigga know that we coming, this nigga know how we coming, Pull out that glizzy, bet that pussy, cock it back and reload. Somebody about to get clapped, ayy. Ballin' like on D-Rose, I had to bring it back, ayy. This nigga know that we coming,
Yeah, man, that pretty much wraps up how to make a song on Bandlab. I tried to keep the video short and simple, but at the same time, I showed y'all everything I do. Yeah, man, so after this, all you do is master your song, since you got the whole mix out the way. Hey, if this video helped y'all out, don't be shy to hit that subscribe button, like and comment. Plenty new content coming soon. Hey, I appreciate y'all for all the support. Road to 7K, and we gonna keep grinding, man, no cap.